Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor Arun Kute and welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. In today's video session, we are going to discuss a fine short story, Fur by British writer Saki. Let's discuss about the writer first. Hector Hughes Munro, 1870 to 1960, is a British writer and better known by the pen name Saki. His witty, mischievous, sometimes macabre stories satirizes Edwardian society and its culture. He is considered as a master of short story genre by English teachers. Let's discuss about the story first. This story is taken from his complete short story collection and narrated in third-person narrative technique. It is a story of a revenge. In this story, we have theme of selfishness, appearance, friendship, bitterness, kindness, and revenge. There are only three characters in the story: Eleanor, Susan, and Bartram. Eleanor and Susan both were friends, and Bartram was distant cousins of Susan. In this story, we are told how one young woman takes revenge on her friend. The title too is suitable because everything happens because of Fur. Let's listen to the story. One day, Eleanor finds her friend Susan as worried about something. Susan tells her that her birthday falls on the coming Wednesday. So far, she got only simple things like fan as a gift. This time, she wishes to have a precious present like a silver fox fur stole. She adds that her distant cousin is rich. She wants the precious gift from him, but she always gives her a simple fan. That's why she is worried. Eleanor makes a plan. They will take Bartram to the big shop. They will say they have to buy something like the hairnet. They decide to meet on the way near the shop. Bartram came for a walk on the road. As a plan, the young woman meet at the shared spot. Bartram has not yet come. Eleanor now is in a problem. She wants the help of Susan. Her boyfriend Harry is coming to meet her that evening, but she will have to play the game of bridge with Adela and her aunt at that time. So she requests to play the game for her. She will be thus free to meet Harry. However, Susan does not become ready to help her. She says that her aunts bore her and she feels sleepy. Eleanor becomes sad. Soon Bartram appears there. They take him into the mall. They will soon raise the point of Susan's birthday. Because of excitement, Susan walks a little fast and goes ahead. Eleanor and Bartram are left behind. Eleanor gets a chance to take revenge upon Susan. She tells Bartram that Susan's birthday falls on Wednesday. Bartram does not know what to buy for her. Eleanor tells him that she needs a fan as she is going away for dancing. She lies that her own birthday is a day before Susan's birthday. Her relatives are poor. She desires to get a fur scarf, but perhaps no one will give her it. Then she sends Bartram into the department of fans. Susan comes back. She asks Eleanor where Bartram is. Eleanor tells a lie again. She says that she thought that he was with her. The two friends had tea and went home. After some days, Susan tells Eleanor that Bartram had given her fan as a birthday gift. Eleanor tells Susan to come to her and see what she has got from Bartram. She has really got a silver fox fur from Bartram. Susan suddenly learns why Bartram was asking her the address of Eleanor. Thus, the friendship between Susan and Eleanor has been rocked. Susan's behavior with Bartram and Eleanor shows her selfishness. She not only got a birthday present, she doesn't want, but she has also possibly lost a friend. Saki is suggesting that it is better to be kind towards others and to help others than to think only of yourself, as Susan has done throughout the story. I hope you have enjoyed this short explanation of the story. If you enjoy this story, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.